heartbroken over a human being who barely knows of my existence. For my colors would change purple to blue for you, and yet we barely know of each other. But I can't say I know much more of what makes purple purple than you. Tea or coffee, daisies or sunflowers, music or art. Trick question, but you knew that. So would you love me if you knew that I was falling for a boy who happened to be you? But I'm sick of losing soulmates, so where do we begin? I can finally see you're screwed up as me, so how do we win? Yeah, I'm sick of losing soulmates, won't be alone again. I can finally see you're screwed up as me, so how do we win?